Hello and welcome from Port Blair here in India on the islands of Andaman. Today we're going to be leaving Port Blair and we're going to be heading on a ferry towards another island called Havelock. Are you excited?
I'm excited. It's about a 2-hour journey. So yeah, I think this is going to be interesting. We've got to board our ferry now.
And we have a luxury ticket, so I wonder what that looks like. And this is our ferry. So in our previous video we actually traveled around here, and then the island is a little bit more northeast, I think towards that way. I think we're going to go that way and out of the bay, and then it's all the way on that side. So before we hop into this ferry, if you have watched our previous video, you'll know that tourists cannot get a SIM card on this island. That means we actually need to rely on public Wi-Fi, but the problem is hackers can actually steal our information there. So I thought I would share with you smart travel hacks that we use to protect our information by introducing you to NordVPN, so that you can travel smart like us. So because the internet knows your exact location, hackers use this to steal your information as they know exactly where it is. But with one simple click of a button, NordVPN allows you to hide your information by changing your online location so that the hacker has no idea where to find it. So right now I'm in India, but the internet thinks I'm in South Africa. However, the information I want to protect most is my banking information, as I don't want anybody stealing my money while I'm traveling, and this is why I love NordVPN, because they have a feature called Double VPN. Now what this actually does is create double protection so that nobody can steal my information. Is my double VPN on? We have also left our biggest travel hack down in the description below and teach you how to do it. So if you want to protect your information and make sure that nobody steals your money, is it still on? We highly suggest using NordVPN. Get an exclusive deal by using our link nordvpn.com/Buddymoon. We'll leave that link also in the description below, and it's risk-free with Nord's 30-day money-back guarantee. So I'd like to thank NordVPN for protecting our online information and also sponsoring this portion of the video. Leanne's already in the queue. Sheesh. Thanks for standing in the line, babes.
It's a pleasure. I see on our seat here it says 1 to 2 FG. So we have assigned seats already.
We actually got our host at our accommodation to book this ferry for us, but there is a website online through which you can actually book it. Hi, namaste.
Quite a big fancy ferry, isn't it? Our host did make us some lunch, or some breakfast should I say, but I see there are some snacks here on board that we could get.
Hi.
Hello, good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Center column, middle one, the 2 seats.
The 2 seats in the middle. Thank you.
So we're sitting right in the middle.
Right in the middle or right in the front.
Oh,
Hopefully
no.
it's not too wavy out there.
One of the guys that stayed at our accommodation said when he went, he got super nauseous and so many people were throwing up. So let's hope that does not happen to us. All right.
It's a bit of a struggle, huh?
I think we settled. I think they actually do have a place in order for us to keep our bags, but because we got electronics,
We don't want to put them there.
yeah, no, I think we'd rather keep it safe with us. But these are some comfortable seats.
They are some comfortable seats here. It's really spacious inside here.
Winner.
Winner. Yeah.
So we paid about 1,450 rupees per person for this ferry just towards Havelock Island, and then from there onwards we're going to go to another island and then back to Port Blair. So I think we're going to have quite an adventure the next few days.
Definitely. I'm excited though.
Yeah, me too.
Got new seats with the window, which is amazing.
Yeah, there was about 3 seats left open, so I just went and asked them if we could take them, and they said yes, nobody's using them.
Now we're no longer stuck in the middle.
And we have window seats. Amazing. We got lucky.
We did.
The boat's already starting to bounce
It's
up
already
and down.
starting to bounce. And we haven't even left the protected bay. So imagine what the open sea is going to be like.
There's a problem, or there's a possibility that we might be using these bags today.
Hopefully not. Fingers
not.
crossed. So now that we're actually cruising, let me show you what our seating looks like. We are sitting right over here, which is great as it's right next to the window. But you do get other seats over here where you got the middle and then you got the windows on that side as well. We're in the luxury class on the Nautica boat. There are quite a few ferries that you can choose from. They've got all of these little items that are for sale here as well, like t-shirts and maps. All the little trinkets that you can get, and coconut powder over there. And there's more seats here. And then I know that there is this bottom level that we're on, and there's another top level at the top. But I do see some people having some snacks and some coffee on board, so let's go and have a look to see if we can actually get some coffee. That would be great. Hi, do you have coffee? Can I get 2? How much is it? 50. Can I get 2, please? Thank you. I'm gonna come back now. I just want to give this. Let's go take this to Danny, so that I have hands to come back for another one. You can see everyone's just walking around the boat trying to get all their shots. Here you are, Danny. Here's some coffee.
Oh, gee, where did you get coffee?
It might be hot, so
Where did you get coffee?
just be careful. As you come in, there's coffee.
What?
Yeah.
Scores.
Scores. All right, now to go back for mine. Oopsie. Dropping my money here. Thank you so much. Yeah, some coffee to wake up. Now's a struggle to get to my seat. Everyone's on our side. Beep beep, sorry. Thank you. Let's squeeze through, sorry. There we go.
It's like a cappuccino.
Yeah, cheers.
Cheers.
Squeezing through. There we go. I
There's
feel
the
like we
coffee.
have the most popular seats
I know.
on the boat because everyone's just standing here taking photos.
I almost feel like a fish in a glass. Everyone's standing here and I'm kind of like wanting to wave to the photos, but I guess I can't.
Everyone just wants to get the window seats.
Yeah, we were lucky.
So seeing as it was so early when we left the house, our host was kind enough to give us a breakfast on the go. So he has given us some sandwiches that we can have for breakfast. I think there's just like vegetables and mayonnaise inside. I don't want to open it up, otherwise it's gonna break the bread, but we'll give it a bite. There we go. This bread is super fresh. It's like falling apart. That's good. Thank you, Ashwin.
And we have arrived at Havelock Island.
I am really grateful that the sea was calm, so we had such a nice ride here.
So now all we're going to have to look for is a rickshaw so that we can get to our accommodation. We want to show you that too.
Thank you so
We've
much.
got one, thank you. Want to give us review cards? This is Havelock Island and what the port looks like. I don't know where we need to go now in order to look for a tuk-tuk. Where do we go?
I'm not sure actually, probably towards the end, because it looks like there's a bridge over there. I think we're still on the docks. But this looks like it's another ferry that you can take. There's loads of different companies to choose from, but I'm pretty happy with the one that we went on.
So we're going to be spending one night here on Havelock Island and then we're going to be shifting to another island called Neil Island. Apparently it's the most popular islands here in the Andamans in order to go to. So we're just going to go check them out. Feels like a little bit of a vacation.
Oh, definitely. When you got these island vibes, it's always a vacation vibe.
Look at the color of this water. It is like this blue-green color and you can see all the way to the bottom. Check this side. Look at the color of the sand. It's so clear.
This is beautiful. White sand beaches, turquoise water, and palm trees.
Island lifestyles here in India. I'm still shocked that we're in India.
Yeah, I still cannot believe that you get this in India.
It's really awesome. I hope that you guys are learning from this vlog that India has got an island that you can come to and visit. Epic. Oh gosh, now to find a tuk-tuk driver. You have tuk-tuk?
Go outside.
Thank you. Right, I think taxis will be too expensive. So tuk-tuk it is. You have tuk-tuk? Yes. How much tuk-tuk to where are we going?
Havelock Farm Stay.
Havelock Farm Stay.
Havelock farm.
Maybe about 8 kilometer.
8 kilometer.
Yeah. Kitna?
Havelock farm আছে তোমার এই এর দিকে 4 নম্বর 6 নম্বর show me the address
Over here.
Havelock is it কোনটা Havelock farm
I can show directions.
কোনটা কেরলা কাপের পাশেটা কেরলা কাপের পাশে
It's fine?
Yeah, it's fine.
Kitna?
200.
200. 200 for 4 kilometer, 100. Very far. 150 is best price. No. Okay, I'll get somebody else. Thank you.
So do you want two-wheeler?
No, I don't want a scooter. Thank you.
So take my visiting card. If you want, I can send you on your hotel.
Yeah? Okay.
These are my number. And go with him. He'll take the 150.
150. Okay. Thank you. Oh, geesh. Yo. Right, thank you. What's your name?
Bulubai.
Bulubai.
Yes.
Bulubai.
No card.
Okay. He's just taking the other guy's business card away from me.
This is Bokar.
Is he?
Bokar.
What's vocal? Bad man. Hey? What's your name again?
Huh? Yeah.
Your name?
Bulubai.
Bulubai.
Yes.
Bulubai. Okay, that's a unique name, hey? Me, I'm Daniel.
This country?
Sorry?
Yeah, country?
My country, South Africa.
Africa.
Yes, very far away, hey? Bulubai, which one yours?
This rickshaw.
This rickshaw. Ah, okay, let's go. Aburaturoti?
Yeah,
No, it's not red, hey?
not red. This one? Thank you.
Okay. Dhanyavad, Bulubai.
Oh, wait. It's okay, thank you.
Ooh. Alright. Here we go.
There we go.
Another day, another rickshaw.
This time at least we left our rolly bags at our previous accommodation because we're going to be going back to that before we fly out of here. So now we just left with our backpacks, and I must say it's so much easier to maneuver.
That's what I've been telling you the whole time.
We don't have enough space in just these backpacks for all of our stuff.
Okay. From now onwards, we only travel with 2 days of clothing.
Goodness.
So here we are, Havelock Island. Kind of looks a little the same like Port Blair. Has some shops here on the side. It's a little bit cooler this side actually compared to Port Blair. Maybe it's just a day. Bulubai, we just go straight, eh?
Yes.
Okay, Dhanyavad. Yes, medical center. Hey, Bulubai?
Yes.
Medical center. So it looks like we're approaching a little bit of the main town here in Havelock.
Market.
What's the town name?
Market.
El Matet.
No, this is the market.
Oh, is this market? Oh, there's food market there, hey?
Market.
Yes. So here's the shops. It's a Sunday, so everything is closed. I'm sure everything else is going to be open tomorrow or the other days.
Right side, fish market.
Fish market.
On this side.
Yeah, right side.
This side, eh?
Okay. Ooh, you can smell the fish.
1 minute this side. 1 minute video.
1 minute.
No problem.
What's this, Bulubai?
I don't know where we're going. We're just going on a detour.
Just said we must hold 1 minute. He wants to show us something. What you want to show us, Bulubai?
Yeah, charge. This charge.
No, I don't want to pay nothing. I want to go hotel room, hey? Here we go. Bulubai, where we going? Hey?
Yes.
I want to go to hotel, hey? I want to go hotel first. Seems like we're being ignored.
Yeah, I don't know what's happening.
Beautiful place.
Is this beautiful place?
Yeah, diving place.
Oh, okay. So here's where the people come and dive, hey?
Yes.
Okay. That looks like he wants to show us this spot. Seems like we can come here to go and dive because here's the tanks. And then there's the water.
Looks beautiful.
Look very beautiful.
Come this video.
Hey?
I will wait.
You wait there.
We'll wait with our bags.
It's beautiful, Bulubai.
Yes.
Beautiful. kind of just wants to show me this spot. I think he'll also get a little bit of money on the side if he brings us here. But wow, look at this. Check out the color of the water. It is blue, 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 blue. And check the sand as well. It's like completely white. This is a beautiful spot. Yeah, this is just a taste of what we're about to get. I think it's only going to get more beautiful. Very, very, very nice, Willoughby. Beautiful color, the water, hey? Very, very nice. But we go beach later. I first want to go hotel.
Yes.
Thank you, Buddymoon. The color of the water is outstanding.
I can see it's beautiful.
It's somewhere here, Buddymoon.
Yes.
Havelock Farm. It's saying here somewhere.
Yeah?
Yeah, Havelock Farm.
Yes.
Yes, thank you.
Looks pretty cute. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Oh.
Contact number.
I'll give contact number. Thank you. So I can call you whenever I want to go on island, eh? Okay. Thank you. Thank you,
Thank you,
Buddymoon.
Bolibar.
Okay, you make calling, eh? Okay, no problem.
Thank you.
Thank you, Buddymoon. All right.
And here we are, Havelock Farms Resort and Spa.
Hi.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Hello, namaste.
No, don't worry. It's fine.
Not good. Oh, good. Thank you.
It's cozy. It's like beach vibes.
Yeah, I'm definitely getting the beach vibe here. Thank you very much.
You got a dolphin?
Oh, look how cute that is.
Hi, namaste. How are
Namaste.
I'm good. I'm here for check-in. Found this place online, so I'm not expecting anything fancy, as our budget is not that high. So let's have a look.
We get our own bungalow. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Oh, we have a balcony
Thank you.
with some 2 chairs.
Oh wow, this is great.
How is this? Oh, nice.
Welcome to our cozy little room. We look like we have a little seating area over here
And a work desk.
and a work desk over here, a cupboard and a window, which is great. And then our bed.
How awesome is that? And we've at least got a fan and some aircon because it is extremely hot. We have come here out of season, but it's alright. Yeah, we have a little get ready station. And then this is our bathroom. Pretty much like all the places in India, the shower is the entire bathroom.
But this looks super cozy.
It is cozy, hey?
Perfect for a night stay. Alright, so now that we have settled in and booked in, we can now go and explore this island, but we'll do that in the next video.
So like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. So join us on the rest of our Andaman adventures.
Whoop whoop.
See you!